There's no one-size-fits-all strategy. The key to business success is to continuously adapt to a rapidly evolving digital landscape. You never know what could affect your business. As a pioneer in private corporate banking in Asia, Cordlife was at its peak after expanding to 10 countries and was looking to develop new revenue streams by growing its product portfolio. And then, we were hit by the pandemic. We were forced to halt physical events, disrupting our main channel to prospect and educate customers. Revenue slowed as a result, and we recognized quickly that we had to transform the company digitally to grow. We were introduced to BCG Rise program, an upskilling initiative geared towards SMEs. We like that the program offered a unique application-based approach to learning that allows us to work directly on our digital transformation initiatives. We decided to upskill our senior managers through the Digital Growth and Innovation course. One key opportunity we identified was to streamline our processes by integrating the customer-facing portal that we are working on with our CRM to automate the flow of information. This helps us to reduce our operating costs and also enhance our customer experience.
3 words to describe the RISE program: engaging, current, and insightful. What I found to be most useful is that we get to work on our company's problem statement during the program and graduate with an actionable plan. I learned many new tools necessary to address the company's key challenges, such as agile experimentation, digital innovation, and how to incorporate stakeholder feedback in developing solutions. Some of the concepts, such as structured problem solving and how to focus on people as the core in the design process, were especially important in helping me structure my thoughts on how to approach and come up with solutions to the digital challenges in the organization.
We hope to send more of our employees into the RISE Business and Data Analytics program to improve the ways we analyze and use data to make better decisions for our business. We are definitely excited to see the next stage of growth for Cordlife as we continue to advance digitally.